Struggling to make more money? Want to earn $500 per day without a degree or experience? In this video, I'll break down 15 powerful side hustles you can start today. Side hustle number 15 is a hidden gold mine, so stick around till the end. Before we begin, hit like and subscribe so you never miss new money-making strategies. Businesses need AI-generated content, and you can sell it for big profits. What you'll do: write blog posts, emails, or scripts using ChatGPT and Jasper. Where to sell: Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups. Pro tip: package AI-generated content. Plus, light human editing for premium pricing. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without inventory or upfront costs. How it works: design using Canva or Midjourney AI. Upload to Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify. Customers buy. POD companies print and ship. You profit. Pro tip: use niche trends and seasonal designs to increase sales. Quick question: which side hustle interests you so far? Drop a comment below. If you're enjoying this, hit like, it helps the channel grow. Make money without skills by reselling services like logos and video editing. How it works: find freelancers offering services at low prices. Fiverr, Upwork. List those services on your website or social media for higher prices. When someone buys, outsource the work and keep the profit. Pro tip: offer bundled services, logo plus branding plus website, for higher earnings. Got a clear voice? Businesses will pay you for voiceovers. Where to find work: Fiverr, Voices.com, ACX, for audiobooks. Pro tip: use free tools like Audacity to enhance audio quality. Loving these side hustles? Make sure to subscribe. I drop new money-making ideas every week. Rent out camera gear, cars, tools, or storage space for passive income. Where to list: Turo, Fatlama, Neighbor.com. Pro tip: bundle items together, e.g. a camera plus tripod, for higher rates. Buy cheap domain names and flip them for profit. Where to buy: GoDaddy auctions, Namecheap. Where to sell: Flippa, Cedo. Pro tip: focus on short, brandable domain names. Which side hustle are you most excited to try? Drop a comment and share this video with a friend who needs extra income. Create and sell resume templates, social media templates, and planners for passive income. Where to sell: Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Market. Pro tip: use Canva Pro to create high-quality designs in minutes. Which side hustle are you starting first? Drop a comment below, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips every week.